Hi everybody, I'm Erin.
Say hi.
How are you?
How are you? I'm good. Very good.
Good?
Ask her.
Good.
How are you today? Miss Erin. Say.
How are you today?
I'm doing good. All right, everybody, why don't we get started?
Yes?
All right. So this is me. Hello, I am Miss Erin, and this is my dog Dakota.
How does it look?
It's the
It's brown. What color is it?
white.
Do you love it?
Yes.
Thank you. Yes, she is white. All right, so we're gonna do an activity here. Can anybody tell me what this first word would be that starts with a T?
What can talk with its teeth? Look at this. What can talk with its teeth? You please just tell us.
Television.
Okay, and you please. Wait.
I'm television.
Okay, television. Thank you. Honor.
Very
Okay.
good.
You please.
It's television.
Yes. How are you, Peter?
It's television.
Yes. All right. All right. You please. Next.
Television.
And you please.
It's television.
You please.
Television.
Okay. On you. Number one. No, this one. What's this?
Television.
Yes.
Very good, very good. It's the television.
Okay.
And it's right on number 7. Does everybody say number 7?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Can anybody tell me what this word is that starts with a P?
What's this? And you please.
It's picture.
It's picture.
Very good.
It's picture.
You please. You please.
It's picture.
How about you? And you please.
Picture. Picture.
Daisy.
It's picture.
Anissa.
Picture.
Erin.
It's picture.
Thomas.
It's picture.
Stella.
It's picture.
And Cora.
It's picture.
You please.
It's picture.
And Sean.
Picture.
It's picture. Everyone, what's this?
Picture.
Yes, picture.
Yes, very good, everybody. It is the picture. Does anybody see which number the picture is?
What's number from the picture? And you please. Number 4. Okay.
Yes.
He said it's number 4.
Very good. Job. Okay, we're on to our last word.
Cora.
Okay.
Eric.
Okay.
You please. Yeah. You please.
Okay.
You please.
Okay.
You please.
Okay.
You please.
Okay.
Again.
Okay.
John. What's this?
Okay.
Yeah. And you please.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay. They said that is bookcase.
Yes, bookcase, bookcase. Very good, everybody.